Good morning, everyone. My name is Sahil Sen. I am presenting in here Understanding Value Equation. Introduction. Introduction to the value equation. The value equation is the fundamental concept in economics and business. वैल्यू इक्वेशन एक फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट है जो हमें इकोनॉमिक्स और बिजनेस के बारे में बताता है. इट रिप्रेजेंट द बैलेंस बिटवीन परसिव्ड बेनिफिट एंड कॉस्ट. ये हमें बेनिफिट और कॉस्ट के बारे में बताता है, के बीच बैलेंस बताता है कि कितना ज़्यादा और कितना कम. अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस इक्वेशन हेल्प ऑर्गेनाइज मेक इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजंस. Component of the value equation. The value equation is the often expressed value is equal to benefit minus cost. Benefit can include tangible and intangible except such as quality and service. ये हमें क्वालिटी और सर्विस में मदद करते हैं. कॉस्ट कॉस्ट encompass both monetary and non-monetary factors such as time and effort. Perceived benefit. Perceived benefit are subjective and vary from customer to customer. Factor influencing perceived benefit include brand reputation and product features. Enhancing perceived benefit can lead to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty. Understanding cost. Cost are not limited. कॉस्ट की कोई लिमिट नहीं होती. टू द परचेज प्राइस. ये परचेज प्राइस होता है बट इंक्लूड टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑनरशिप. नॉन मॉनेटरी कॉस्ट सच एज टाइम एंड इनकॉन्वेंशन आल्सो अफेक्ट द वैल्यू इक्वेशन. रिड्यूसिंग कॉस्ट while maintaining quality can improve overall value perception. Value creation strategies. Business can create value by enhancing benefits or reducing cost. In, Innovation is product and service often lead to higher perceived benefits. Streamlining often can lower cost and improve the customer experience. Importance of customer feedback. Customer feedback is critical for understanding perceived value in the market. Surveys and review can provide insight into how customers view benefit and cost. Acting or acting on feedback helps businesses adjust their offering to enhance value. Conclusion and implication. The value equation is central to strategic decision making in any business. A clear understanding of value can lead to competitive advantage. Regularly assessing and adapting the value equation ensures ongoing customer satisfaction. Feel free to customize any of the content further if you wish.